Hi guys, it is YouTube Elijah back with another video, and today, wait, why did I say another video? It's my first video. So, if you haven't already subscribed or liked this video, please do that, and make sure to leave a comment down below. Okay, so today, I've heard that these fidget spinners, fidget spinners, new craze thing, yeah, well, I got two of them here, and this is the first one. It's red. I got this off of eBay from China for like $3 maybe, not that much. It's red. It spins actually really good, but it is loud. And I got this white one. It spins really good. It's actually kind of quiet, pretty quiet. And so I've heard these are like the new craze and stuff, but like, what do they do? What do we need them for and stuff? So today I'm gonna be seeing what they are for. So let's see. So if I just, hold on, let me sign in. Okay, if I go right there, and I type in, what are fidget spinners for? Type that in. It's a stress relieving toy. The toy has been advertised to help people who have trouble with focusing or fidgeting, such as ADHD, acting release. Well, I know that, but like, what are they for?
What are you doing?
Sorry about that. That was my dad. Okay. So, don't really know what they're for, but guess. I don't know. So, hold on. I want to show you.
There's room on his headphones.
Bye. Subscribe, leave comment, like.